Hi guys. This is Nacho. If you guys don't know, he's here, but he's not really a part of today's tasting experience. So my neighbor Pawn came over and dropped off something yet again. It's late. It's like I don't know, like 2:35 in the morning, and he texts me and says, "Hey, I dropped another item at your door." Mr. Nacho had to go outside for something, and then he brought it in. So the item that I'm going to review, because he's like, "I'm okay. This is all you," and I was like, "I appreciate it." It's going to be this particular item right here from the brewery. This is called Barrel Pie, and the ABV on this is going to be 17.3%. So we're going to go ahead and just hook ourselves up. And he left me a little bit, which is perfectly fine. So he had cracked this open before he came over, and he's like, "You gotta try it." And I was like, "Yeah, let's do that." So as you guys can see here, so here we go. Very boozy. It almost feels 20%. Um, what I can tell you is it's very fall. It's got fall spices, definitely cinnamon, nutmeg. It smells almost like a potpourri pine cone situation. Now, I do get like a glaze of honey on apples, and of course, uh, bourbon barrel, real rich and sticky. And the culprit for me on this is going to be definitely raisin or prune, that stickiness. So let's just dive right on in. Gotta taste it. I can't. In good conscience, this is rare. And also, it's a 2025, by the way. Yeah, this is, and I don't share glasses with anyone. This is my A1 since day one. So yeah, you taste them apples? Yeah, I know you guys. His mic's off right now. Um, there's a little breadiness on the background, probably a little pretzel, maybe like a Triscuit. Um, got some characteristics that body, but it's bready. But that apple, honey, nutmeg, cinnamon, baby, and that breadiness, it almost seems like an apple cobbler a little bit, like an apple cobbler on some high ABV shit. Yo, Pond, damn it, I love you so much. This is fire, and again, folks, if you guys don't know, this is gonna be the Barrel Pie 2025 at I'm gonna read it again here, 17.3% for a 12.7 fluid ounce bottle. And I appreciate you guys hanging out with me here. Um, again, phenomenal, super rare, and this is going to be a rare moment in the way I record things. Let's read what the bottle has here. This is going to be a bourbon barreled aged ale with apples, honey, pretzels, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and salt. I didn't get the vanilla, and that's just my way my palate works, but I can see where the salt and the pretzel comes in, where I'm like, it's almost like an apple cobbler for the fall. So fair enough. And I appreciate you guys. Until next time, guys. Cheers.